How much should you actually spend on RGB liquid CPU coolers? You see some priced low and others through the roof, but which ones truly deliver? It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360. Let's kick things off with the Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360. Priced at $83.99, this cooler caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want efficient cooling without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Arctic P12 Pro fan really impressed me, pushing air at 77 cubic feet per minute, providing powerful cooling while remaining surprisingly quiet, even under load. Plus, the integrated VRM fan works to keep your voltage regulators cool, which is crucial for performance. Now, I'll be real with you, some users mentioned it can be a bit tricky to install due to the size of the radiator. But here's the thing, if you're comfortable with some DIY, it's totally worth it for the cooling performance you get. This cooler is perfect for you if you want a balance of performance and price. Skip this one if you're looking for a flashy RGB setup, since it leans more towards function over form. Product number 2, Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 ARGB. Next up is the Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 ARGB, retailing at $92.99. This one takes everything you love about the original and adds some stunning RGB lighting. If you want cooling performance with a touch of flair, this is a solid choice. The optimized contact frame ensures heat is dissipated efficiently, so your CPU stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. The built-in VRM fan is a game changer for maintaining voltage stability, which is something you definitely want. However, a few users reported that the lighting control could be a bit finicky with certain motherboards. But honestly, if you're after a cooler that performs well and looks great, minor software hiccups aren't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want solid cooling with vibrant aesthetics. Skip it if you prefer a simpler, non-RGB setup. Product number 3, Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB. Now let's talk about the Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB, priced at $129.99. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek design and low-noise operation. If you're after top-tier performance with minimal noise, this cooler deserves your attention. This cooler features an efficient, low-noise pump that only hits around 20 dBA while circulating coolant. The RS120 ARGB fans do an excellent job of delivering strong airflow while enhancing your rig's aesthetics. Plus, the daisy chain feature simplifies cable management, which is a huge plus for anyone who hates a messy setup. But here's a downside. Some users found the installation a bit complex due to the various cables. However, I think it's worth it for the performance and noise level you get. This cooler is great for you if you prioritize a quiet operation and high performance. If you're not keen on dealing with some extra installation steps, you might want to consider other options. Product number 4, Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 ARGB White. The next contender is the Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 ARGB in white, coming in at $96.99. If you want a cooler that fits a lighter-themed build while still delivering solid performance, look no further. This cooler carries over the same powerful features as its black counterpart, with the added bonus of a white aesthetic. You get the same airflow capacity of 77 CFM and the integrated VRM fan to keep things running smoothly under load. The native offset mounting really helps with efficient heat transfer, and who doesn't love some RGB lighting? However, a few users mentioned they wish the RGB options were more customizable. Here's the thing, if you're okay with decent lighting options and care more about performance, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performing cooler that complements your white build. Skip this if you're looking for extensive RGB control. Product number 5, Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB White. Last but not least is the Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB in white, priced at $99.99. This cooler combines aesthetics and performance seamlessly. If you're after something that looks as good as it cools, you'll want to keep this one in mind. The adjustable RGB control is another standout feature, giving you flexibility in how you want to light up your build. Its design allows for easy daisy chaining, which helps keep your setup clean and tidy. On the downside, a few users found it a bit heavier than expected, which might be a concern if your case has weight limits. However, if you're prioritizing cooling performance and aesthetics, it's a trade-off worth making. This cooler is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet effective cooling solution. Skip it if you have a lightweight case and need something more portable. So there you have it. We've covered 5 fantastic RGB liquid CPU coolers, each with its own strengths and quirks. Whether you're looking for affordability with the Arctic options or performance and style with the Corsair models, there's something for every build. Happy cooling!